Hello students, today I am teaching remaining questions of exercise 2 of chapter 2 linear equation in two variables. In these questions you will learn about the word problem related questions. So let's start. In exercise 2 question number 4 is solve the following system of equation for the given variables. First equation is x plus y is equal to 7 and x minus y equal to minus 1. You will see that the coefficient of each variables are equal. It means coefficient of x is 1 and coefficient of x is 1. Here coefficient of y is plus 1 and coefficient of y is minus 1. So it is not necessary to use any other method like substitution method and elimination method. You will see that here the sign of y is different, so we adding equation first and second. So x plus y is equal to 7, x minus y equal to minus 1, plus y and minus y cancelled, we have 2x is equal to 6. So x equal to 6 upon 2 is equal to 3. On putting the value of x in equation first, you are free to choose equation. You can put the value of x in either equation first or equation second. So first equation is x plus y is equal to 7. At the place of x we put value 3. 3 plus y is equal to 7. So y equal to 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. Hence x equal to 3 and y equal to 4. It is a solution of equation first. Second equation is 2x plus y is equal to 8 and x minus 2y equal to minus 1. Here coefficient of x are different and coefficient of y are different. So either we use elimination method or substitution method or cross multiplication method. I am going to use substitution method. So 2x plus y is equal to 8, 2x is equal to 8 minus y, x equal to 8 minus y upon 2. This is equation third. Now on putting the value of x equal to 8 minus y upon 2 in equation second, it should be noted that if we find out value of x or y from equation first, then we put this value in equation second. So second equation is x minus 2y minus 1. On putting the value of x in this equation, at the place of x we write x 8 minus y upon 2 minus 2y is equal to minus 1. Now adding 8 minus y minus 2 to the 4y upon 2 is equal to minus 1. Minus y and minus 4y, it becomes minus 5y. So 8 minus 5y upon 2 is equal to minus 1. Now we multiply, cross multiplication, we use cross multiplication, 2 into minus 1. So 8 minus 5y is equal to minus 1 into 2. Now transposing plus 8 to RHS, minus 5 is equal to minus 2 minus 8. Now y equal to minus 10 upon minus 5. minus minus cancelled, 5 2 are 10. So y equal to 2. You will see that here multiplying minus 1 plus 2 is equal to minus 2, and this is a plus 8. When we transpose plus 8 to RHS, it become minus 8. So minus 8 and minus 2 becomes minus 10. Then this is a minus 5y, so the value of y is equal to minus 10 upon minus 5. Minus minus cancelled, 5 2 are 10. So we have value of y is equal to 2. Now putting the value of the value of y is equal to 2 in equation third, we formed क्या हो गया था इक्वेशन थर्ड इज x इज इक्वल टू 8 माइनस वाई अपॉन 2. So x is equal to 8 minus, at the place of y we put 2 upon 2 becomes 6 upon 2, 2 3 is 6. So x equal to 3 and y equal to 2. Question third is 4x plus 3y is equal to 5 and 2x minus y equal to 2. So 4x plus 3y is equal to 5. This is equation first. I am using substitution method. So 4x is equal to 5 minus 3y. Transposing plus 3y to RHS, we get 5 minus 3y. Now the value of x is equal to 5 minus 3y upon 4. This is equation third. Now putting the value of x is equal to 5 minus 3y upon 4 in equation second. Second equation is 2x minus y is equal to 2. At the place of x we write 5 minus 3y upon 4. So 2 5 minus 3y upon 4 minus y is equal to 2. 2 2s are 4. 5 minus 3y upon 2 minus y is equal to 2. Now subtracting 5 minus 3y minus 2y upon 2 is equal to 2 by cross multiplication. 5 minus 5y, because minus 3y minus 2y becomes minus 5y upon 2 is equal to 2. So 5 minus 5y is equal to 2 into 2. Now minus 5y equal to 4 minus 5. So y equal to minus 1 upon minus 5. Y minus cancelled, y equal to 1 upon 5. Now putting the value of the value of y is equal to 1 upon 5 in equation third. Equation third is x equal to 5 minus 3y upon 4 is equal to 4. So x equal to 5 minus 3 into 1 upon 5 upon 4. So 5 minus 3 upon 5 upon 4. Subtracting 3 upon 5 from 5. 5 5 is 25 minus 3 upon 5 upon 4. X equal to 22 upon 5 into 4 is equal to 22 upon 20. Dividing it, we get
1.1. Either you change it in decimal 1.1. So x equal to 1.1, y equal to 1 upon 5 is equal to 0.2. So y equal to 0.2 and x equal to 1.1. Question 4 is root 7x plus root 11y is equal to 0. Root 3x minus root 5y is equal to 0. So now using substitution method, root 7x plus root 11y is equal to 0. This is equation first. So root 7x is equal to 0 minus root 11y. So x is equal to minus root 11y upon root 7. This is equation third. Now putting the value of x is equal to minus root 11y upon root 7 in equation second. Second equation is root 3x minus root 5y is equal to 0. At the place of x we write minus root 11y upon root 7. So root 3 into minus root 11y upon root 7 minus root 5y is equal to 0. Since this is a negative and this is positive, so product will be negative. Minus root 33y upon root 7 minus root 5y is equal to 0. Now subtracting root 5y from this, so we get minus root 33y minus root 35y upon root 7 is equal to 0. Now minus root 33y minus root 35y is equal to 0 into root 7. Now taking y as a common, we get minus root 33 minus root 35 is equal to 0. So y equal to 0 upon minus root 33 minus root 35 is equal to 0. Hence the value of y is equal to 0. Now on putting the value of y is equal to 0 in equation third. Third equation is x is equal to minus root 11y upon root 7. So at the place of y we put 0 upon root 7. We get 0 upon root 7 is equal to 0. Hence the value of x equal to 0 and value of y equal to 0. Question number 5th is the cost of 15 kg tea and 17 kg coffee is rupees 183 and the cost of 25 kg tea and 13 kg coffee is rupees 213. What will be the cost of 7 kg tea and 1 kg coffee? The combined price of 15 kg tea and 17 kg coffee is rupees 183. but the cost of 1 kg tea and the cost of 1 kg coffee is not given. So at first we have to assume the cost of 1 kg tea and the cost of 1 kg coffee. So let the cost of per kg tea be Rs X and the cost of per kg coffee be Rs Y. So in first case the cost of 15 kg tea and 17 kg coffee is equal to Rs 183. So according to question, 15x plus 17y is equal to 183. This is equation first. Now in second case, the cost of 25 kg tea and the cost of 13 kg coffee is equal to rupees 213. According to question, 25x plus 13y is equal to 213. This is equation second. Now either we use substitution method or elimination method or cross multiplication. Using substitution method, 15x plus 17y is equal to 183. This is equation first. 15x equal to 183 minus 17y. So x is equal to 183 minus 17y upon 15. This is equation third. Now putting the value of x equal to 183 minus 17y upon 15 in equation second. Second equation is 25x plus 13y is equal to 213. At the place of x, we write 183 minus 17y upon 15. So 25 183 minus 17y upon 15 plus 13y is equal to 213. 5 5 is 25, 5 3 is 15. Now multiplying this number by 5, we get 915 minus 85y upon 3 plus 13y is equal to 213. Adding these numbers, 915 minus 85y is plus 13 3 is 39 y upon 3 is equal to 213. Now subtracting these two numbers because one number is positive and another is negative. Absolute value of minus 85 is greater than absolute value of plus 39. So answer will be negative. 915 minus 6 and 7 minus 3, 46. 46y is equal to 213 into 3. इस 3 का इंटू इधर से कर दिया हम क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन. नाउ माइनस 46y इज इक्वल टू 3 3 जा 9, 3 1 जा 3, 3 2 जा 6, 639 माइनस 915 y इक्वल टू minus 276 upon minus 46. Minus minus cancelled. 46 6 are 276. So y equal to 6. Now on putting the value of y is equal to 6 in equation third equation is x equal to 183 minus 17y upon 15. So 183 minus 17 into 6 upon 15, x equal to 183 minus 102 upon 15. Subtracting 102 from 183, we get 81 upon 15. So 15 5 ja 75. Now 6, 15 4 ja 60. So x equal to 5.4 and y equal to 6. But question was, what will be the cost of 7 kg tea and 1 kg coffee? So the cost of 7 kg tea and 1 kg coffee equal to 7 into 5.4, because the cost of 1 kg tea was rupees x and the value of x is 5.4. So we multiply 7 by 5.4, then we add the cost of 1 kg coffee. Since the cost of 1 kg of coffee, 1 kg coffee be y and the value of y is 6, so we add 6. 7 4 ja 28 point carry 2, 7 5 ja 35 और 2 37.8 plus 6 is equal to 42.8. यानी total rupees 42 rupees 80 paise will be the cost of 7 kg tea and 1 kg coffee.